Chicago in the summer is truly something special. The city comes alive with music, food, and energy all around. You'll find festivals in the parks, boats cruising down the river, and streets filled with people just soaking in the sun. From its world-famous architecture to its diverse food scene, there's something here for every type of traveler. In this video, I'll share 6 ways to make the most of your visit to Chicago in the summertime. Start your trip along the Chicago River. The Riverwalk is perfect for a scenic stroll lined with cafes, public art, and some of the city's best views of downtown. But the highlight here is hopping on an architecture boat tour. Chicago is known as the birthplace of the skyscraper, and this is the best way to see how the city's skyline came to life. Guides point out details you may never notice on your own, from early 20th century buildings to modern glass towers. By the end, you'll have a whole new appreciation for the city's design. Next up, one of Chicago's most impressive cultural spots, the Museum of Science and Industry. It's one of the largest science museums in the world, and you can easily spend hours here. Highlights include a real World War II submarine, a replica coal mine that you can actually walk through, and interactive exhibits that are just as fun for adults as they are for kids. It's a great way to mix history, science, and hands-on learning while escaping the summer heat for a few hours. Of course, food is at the heart of Chicago culture. From James Beard award-winning restaurants to neighborhood favorites, the city is a true foodie destination. You'll find everything here from soul food, classic steakhouses, Latin flavors, and of course, Chicago pizza. Whether you're fine dining or grabbing a quick bite, eating well in Chicago isn't hard. It's part of the experience. Now, if you want to take in the skyline from a different angle, rent a private boat on the river. It's one of the most memorable ways to experience Chicago. Bring along some good food, drinks, gather your friends, and enjoy the views at your own pace. It's relaxed, scenic, and gives you a unique way to see the city without the crowds of a larger tour. No trip to Chicago is complete without a stop at Millennium Park. Here you'll find Cloud Gate, better known as the Bean, a stainless steel sculpture that reflects the city skyline in a way that's just as fun to photograph as it is to walk under. Right nearby is the Pritzker Pavilion, a striking outdoor venue designed by architect Frank Gehry. With its sweeping steel ribbons and incredible sound system, it's one of the city's best spots to enjoy live music and cultural events during the summer. And finally, see Chicago from above with FlyOver, an immersive ride experience. You'll feel like you're flying over the skyline, Lake Michigan, and even the city's famous summer festivals. It's a fun, unexpected way to cap off your visit and the perfect reminder of how much Chicago has to offer. These are just 6 ways to make the most of summer in Chicago, but of course, there's always more to discover. Let me know in the comments what are some of your favorite ways to spend time in Chicago during the summer. And don't forget to subscribe to Melanated Miles for more travel inspo and insights.